It's the money that's developed over time, built and built and amassed over a long period of time that stays for a long period of time. What's up, everybody? A little bit late. It is 11:30 in the morning. Woke up, just cleaned up, did my prayer, everything. Gonna have an apple and probably head to the gym. So go for a little run. Then get to work. So I'll keep you guys updated. Came back from the gym. Ran 3 miles. Just ran fast. So tired. Okay, cold shower number 29. We're gonna do that. Take a little bit of rest. Go to the shop, work. It's almost 30 days in a row. Tomorrow will be day 30. On top of that, tomorrow's Trump's inauguration. TikTok's banned. A whole bunch of shit's going down. So, interesting. But almost at day 30, which is crazy. 30 days, cold showers in a row. All right, gonna go shower. Talk to you guys after. Cold shower, 29 done, one away from cold, 30 days in a row. So we've done 29 days in a row. That's pretty fucking awesome. Super happy for myself to get that far. So what are my thoughts for today? I think the only real way to generate wealth is through hard work and diligent work and dedicated work towards a goal. That's the only way to generate lasting wealth. I mean, there's a lot of things that you could do. For example, investing in stocks, investing in cryptocurrency, all those things that generate wealth relatively quickly. Although money that comes in quickly often goes out quickly. It's the money that's developed over time and earned and worked hard for and built and amassed over a long period of time that stays for a long period of time. That's why work and dedicated work to building something great or adding value to something is the only real way, I believe, to gaining true wealth. People may feel different, but that's me, because when it comes to investments and portfolios and stuff, I've made money and I've lost a lot of money. And now I'm just focused on working towards building a business, adding value to my customers, and providing value in general to society. For example, getting something that's broken down, cleaning it up, adding value to it, and selling, or other things. That's the only way I believe that you can really generate long-term wealth. It's by working hard, building it up slowly, and amassing it. Anyway, we're gonna head to the shop, do some more work. I need to go over my financials, and I have some things I gotta design, just clean up a little bit too. So, see you guys at the shop. It's been a hectic day. I ended up going to the shop. At the shop, I sent out one quote, did a little bit of work, and I was about to head out to do some chores. Then my car started having an issue. Basically, when I turned it on, it just revved all the way up to 3,000 RPM in idle. So I don't know what's going on. So I was researching. Turns out to be this idler control valve. So it controls the air into the engine while the engine's in idle. So this is on a 1996 Camry, right? That's my new car project. So I've been trying to fix that ever since like 4:30, and it's been a pain in the ass. I just don't have enough tools. I need to get more tools. Some of the screws are stripped to fix that valve, to remove the valve and then clean it. I think it's just gunked up, so it needs to just get cleaned up. Anyway, I'm probably gonna end the video because I just gotta work on that. I need to get some tools. I ended up taking an Uber back home because I had taken off a lot of the parts. Took an Uber back home to eat. I'll pick up my other car, my Mercedes. I'll drive back to the shop and try to finish it up tonight. Because I just want to get that shit done. At least, yeah, I'll try to do my best. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in, guys. See you tomorrow.